Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Welcome back, my dear learner. Now let's start solving another question on status holder and then try to understand how the concept of calculating who can be given a status certificate can be calculated. I'll read the question. Let's together have an understanding and then go ahead and then discuss. X Private Limited, being a by micro, small, medium enterprise, manufactured and exported packing material to US. Other information is as follows. One category is export of goods as MSME. They have given FOB value in the current year, previous year 1, previous year 2. See, first of all, you should understand for calculating status holder, export performance for current year, last 3 years has to be added. If it is gem and jewelry sector, current year and last 2 years will be added. Now, in any of those 4 years that we are generally calculating, current year, last 3 years, at least 2 years you need to have an export performance. This is the condition as such is required for understanding a general question. So, in this question they have given only last 2 years. We will have to see whether we are qualified to be an status holder export house by calculating last 2 years and current year's export performance put together. Then also they said double weightage needs to be given to check whether they are 1-star export house if they are coming under any of the 4 following categories. 1, as an MSME, whatever export you have done, you can do a double weightage. If there is a manufacturer holding ISO, BIS, they can be given double weightage. Any export that is happening from Northeast states, Sikkim and Jammu and Kashmir will get a double weightage. Now, if there is an export that is done by an agro export zone, there also you will get double weightage. Now, in this particular question, we are discussing those cases of double weightage. So, export category, one is as MSME. So, all these years they will get a double weightage. Then, manufacturing units having ISO, BIS, they also will get a double weightage. So, they have given in US dollar what will be their export performance for each of this year FOB value. So, both of these cases they will get double weightage. With the double weightage you will have to calculate whether they are eligible to be called as a 1-star export house status holder. Find whether X Private Limited is eligible for double weightage. If yes, identify its export status. So, in an ideal examination scenario, first you should write about the export performance that is required to be called as a status holder. You should write that to be called as a status holder, export house needs to have following export performance in current year or last 3 previous years. If it is gem and jewelry sector, current year and last 2 previous year, and export performance should be available at least in 2 previous years out of 4 that we are calculating. Then, so in our calculation, we will have to first check what will be the performance. Then we will have to write about double weightage as well. So you should write that if at all any of the following categories exports is considered for checking 1-star export house status holder, following people will be given double weightage on their export performance. One is export as MSME, export by manufacturers having ISO, BIS, export by exporters from Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim and other Northeast states. Then export by agro export zones. So you should write this first so that the provision is available there. Then you go ahead and then do the calculation. So I am going to do only the calculation here. So I am going to start with computation. Computation of export performance for status holder. Particulars. FOB value of export current year FOB value of export previous year 1 FOB value of export previous year 2. So what are the cases that is available for us? Export of goods as MSME. So current year it is $50,000. So in dollars, all these are. So first one is 50,000, then 20 lakhs, nil. Second, manufacturing units having ISO BIS. Manufacturing units having ISO BIS. Nil. Current year it's nil, previous year it's nil, but previous year 2 it was 5 lakh. Total $50,000, 20 lakh dollars, and 5 lakh dollars. But both of these are eligible for double weightage. So total with double weightage. So what will be the total with double weightage? 50,000 will become 1 lakh. 20 will become 40 lakhs. 5 will become 10 lakh. So hence total export performance in current year and previous 2 years is how much? 40 plus 10, 50, 51 lakh or 5.1 million. They are eligible for 1-star export house. They can get an 1-star export house because their export performance is more than $3 million. So this is the conclusion. So only thing that we have additional to learn here is that we have a double weightage that is given because they are MSME and they are a manufacturing unit which has ISO BIS. Even Northeast exports and agro export zones are also eligible for this double weightage. So you'll have to think of this and then calculate it. So these kind of questions can be repeated in your examination. Thank you.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.